In this problem, we're given an exponential equation of the form y equals ab to the x. We're asked to plot the vertical intercept and one other point, and then write the vertical intercept as an ordered pair. So from a previous video, you learned that if you have an exponential equation of the form y equals ab to the x, it's the a that would be the vertical intercept. So the fact that my a is 2 means that the graph is going to cross right here at 0, 2. Now I have to determine whether my graph is decreasing or increasing. Well, because my factor here is a half, which is less than 1, my graph is definitely going to decrease, meaning as I move to the right, it's going to go down. In fact, the fact that this is a b value of a half means every time x goes up by 1, my y values are going to be multiplied by a half, and they're going to be half as big. So I took the liberty of actually typing this equation into my graphing calculator, and if I was to go to a table by pressing second graph, you'd see just that every time x goes up by 1 in the chart, that my y values get cut in half. Now, this particular question math AS can be tricky. If you were to move to the right in this particular problem, you'd get away with plotting one to the right, and math AS would be perfectly happy. So for example, since plugging in 0 yields 2, and since moving to the right 1 cuts my y values in half, moving to the right 1, my y value would be cut in half down to 1, and I could plot this, and I believe math AS would be happy. But in some of these examples, especially if b is like 1/5 or something, when I move to the right 1, making it go down by a fifth, you'd have to plot 2/5, and you just can't, it doesn't snap to that. It's just not on the grid line, so it can't snap to that. So what you're forced to do if that's the case, which is probably why you're watching this video, is pick a point to the left. Don't move to the right and cut it in half. Rather than moving to the right, don't let x go up by 1, let x go down by 1. So the idea is if x goes up by 1, my y values get cut in half. So that means if I let x go down by 1, my y values would double. So notice it going up the list. If I let x go down by 1, every time x goes down by 1, your y values would double. So rather than picking a point to the right, you could rather pick a point to the left. So I'm going to move left 1 and then double my y value. Instead of it being 2, I'm going to make it 4. And then, for example, you could move left 1 again and then up at 8, or move left 1 again and plot 16. Any of those would be fine. Don't forget down here to type your vertical intercept as an ordered pair. So in my case, that's left parenthesis 0, 2 and right parenthesis.